welcome to you. If you're new to meditation, this is the perfect place to start. Meditation isn't about stopping your thoughts or trying to be perfectly calm. It's simply the practice of coming home to yourself, one breath at a time. So take a moment now to get comfortable. You can sit or lie down, whatever feels natural for your body. There's no right nor wrong way to meditate. And when you feel ready, you can gently close your eyes. So begin by taking a slow breath in and a slow breath out. Let your shoulders relax. Let your jaw unclench. Let your belly soften. There is nothing you need to do, nowhere you need to be. You can come fully into this moment. One breath at a time. Notice how your breath feels as it comes into your body. Notice how it feels as it leaves your body. Notice how your body feels right now. Does it feel heavy or light? Tired or alert? Are you feeling comfortable or restless? There's no right or wrong, just awareness. Bringing your attention now back to your breath. No need to change it. All you're doing is observing it. Feel the breath in and feel the breath out. Notice the coolness of the air as you breathe in and the warmth as you breathe out. If your mind wanders, that's okay. That's normal. Simply notice the thought and let it drift away like a cloud passing in the sky. Then come back to your breath. Breathing in, breathing out. Breathing in, breathing out. Every breath brings you deeper into calm. Now imagine a warm, soft light above your head. With every breath, this light begins to wash over you, melting tension, relaxing your muscles, bringing ease to your body. Feel this light travel down your face, your neck, your shoulders, down your chest, your stomach, your arms and your hands. Now your legs all the way down to your feet. Your whole body is now wrapped in light, safe, peaceful, supported. Spend a few moments simply resting in this space now, breathing naturally, feeling your body, noticing the stillness within you. You don't need to force anything. You don't need to judge anything. Meditation is just the practice of noticing, of allowing, of returning. If your mind wanders, gently guide it back to your breath, back to your body, back to this moment. I'm going to go quiet for a moment now. Letting go with every breath. Take a slow, deep breath in now and sigh it out gently. Bring your awareness back to the room, feeling your fingers, your toes, the weight of your body. And when you're ready, open your eyes. And well done, you've just completed a meditation practice. And remember, you don't have to get it perfect. You just have to show up. A few minutes a day is enough to change your whole inner world. Enjoy the rest of your day.